So for $25, you can really build a website using AI, and I'm about to show you how to do that use in this video here. All right, so the first thing what you need to do is go up to your search bar and type in G7.com. That's JEE7.com. After you head over to the G7 website, what you're going to do is you're going to head over to build your website with G7 AI. After you do that, click on the big yellow button in the middle there, and it's going to take you over to the shop. So it's going to take you over to the AI building shop. All right. So if you have a business that's listed on Google already, like for instance, I can go to Google and say, let's say, dentist, Vancouver, right? And I can go pull up a dentist right here and create a website based on that dentist, like Dr. Jared Bauer. So I can literally click on his name and pull up his Google My Business page and enter it in there. And even if you don't have a Google My Business page, you can do it. So I'm gonna do it two ways. So let's say the Google My Business chemist dentistry. We're gonna go with that, and we're gonna enter it there. And we're gonna make sure that it's the right address in there. So, where are you? Do you have a location on there? Oh yeah, there it goes. 15 Northeast. Oh, well, and then let's go back to the builder. This one right here, right? Yep, yep, yep. Okay. So we're gonna click right here, and we're gonna click build website. And now the AI is just going to do the rest of the work here. All right. So at this point, the AI is just going to generate us a title. It's going to basically pull all the information from that Google listing and create a website for us. Now, if you don't have a Google listing, you can still do this too. So you don't need a Google listing to create a website with AI. It's beneficial. It's helpful. And then if you need help with it, we can help you do that too. And check this out. So basically we just have it pulls in that information, create a well-rounded template for this. So a lot of this stuff will be edited out, obviously, such as background, location, and things of that nature. But just off the bat, exceptional dental care with compensation touch, compensa- compassionate touch, excuse me. Like this is what happens, design dentistry. Then we can change the logo up here and stuff like that, and we can make some edits to this. So we can edit this all with G7 by clicking this button right here. You click this button and you sign up and you get the pro plan. All right, so you can easily do that, and it should take you over to the pro plan so you can sign up for it. If you not, what's going to happen is going to import this template straight into my account. And I'm thinking right now, since I already have the pro plan, it's just going to import it into my account right now. So yeah, so it's just importing that template into my account. And so now what's going to happen as it imports it, let's go back over to this. So it's chemist dentistry is what we use, but it just put design dentistry. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in here and we're going to edit this stuff out here. So I'm going to change the name to this, like chemist dentistry, things of that nature. We can go in here and edit the template to our liking and things of that nature. So that's what you can do. Like for instance, this background image, we can change that out because it's showing that same house repetitively, like right there, and it's just like, Jesus Christ, I don't want to see that house that much. Jesus Christ, let's put a tool or something or some results there. And so we can go in here, we could change these images out here easily by coming over here, clicking on them, and things of that nature. And yeah, that's the beautiful part of it. Like, you can make edits to the site, you can change the text on this and stuff like that. So that's the beautiful part of it. And then we can update it. We can click update here and update that. If we want to add a link or say, hey, meet somewhere else, meet us or something like that, we can add links or send them to a checkout page or something like that. So all of that is highly possible to do. And so also, if you want to change image, you can put a whole image in there or something like that if you want that. If you want to change the image that's in there, you can do that too. You have many options on how creativity you can get with this. So the beautiful part about it is you can see the pages that come along with this site too. So the asset. So right now we have that one generated homepage. So let's say we want to add some elements in here, like we want to add text, or we want to add a button or something like that. We can easily put a button in there. We can easily put a video right there. You know, we can easily put in things, elements into this. We can even put a countdown. So if you want to put some scarcity on telling people like, hey, you know, as a countdown. You can put Calendly. So if you want to book calls directly on the site, we can book calls directly on your site. You just have to put that Calendly in there. And so we can update this page right now, but before we update it, let's look at it on the mobile view, and you can see like all these elements is going to automatically dissect into that middle column and cause it to be, you know, obviously you want to kind of fix this up a little bit, which we can do. But you know, it's going to organize it in a well-rounded manner, and then we can update that easily there. And so once we've done that, you know, we have a full website there. So let's say you don't have a dentist office, but you still want to build yourself a website, right? So let's go back over to initially G7, build your website with G7 AI. And now let's go back to the builder, and what we're going to do is we're gonna create a business at this point. So before we used the Google listings, but now let's say you have an idea and you want to create based on that idea. So I could say initially, I'm thinking about doing some videography, or I'm thinking about, let's say, taking photos or stuff like that. So I could say, let's come up with an idea, guys. A new idea, a new crazy cool design idea. All right. Let's say I'm thinking about selling books online. So I could say, J new online bookstore. All right, and let me say books are online store, and I can say next and say we sell a collection of different let's say comic books online. And let's say build website. So basically I just created like an online comic book store. So basically that's what we're doing, is seeing how it created an online comic book store. So before we had the dentist shop, now we're doing an online comic book store just to see how it panned out. So the dentistry it pulls from Google, but the comic book is something that we just created. All right, so now it came up with the website just now. So basically what we would have to do is just edit this template. So that, I don't think it matches. Be real with you, I don't think this will match too well, like with the online comic book stores too much. I kind of went all over the place with that one, because I said J new online book. Yeah, I kind of went all over the place with that one. But yeah, the premises of it is basically we could still edit this thing if we wanted to, or if we want to make it more sharp. I got another idea. Let's do this. Let's say J HVAC service. And we're going to next. I'm trying to see how we do. There you go. That's what I wanted. And I can say affordable HVAC service. Hmm. Okay. So I like the theme of the website, but I would definitely change out the pictures. All right. But I like the theme of it. I like how it kind of went with it a little bit, but definitely change out the pictures. Okay. It's it done pretty well on this one, but I definitely don't want just a half of a ranch right there. Like, you know. But I love how it has the social links like X, Instagram, YouTube, stuff like that right there. Then like I love all that JEH service. I like the color code, the theme color, theme scheme with it. I like the moving images. I like how that moves, but I definitely got to change that out. Like just showing someone pants. Like yeah, all that stuff is editable. Like well, not editable. All this can be edited. So that's the beautiful part of it, you know. And we can go in and publish, or we can edit that with the G7 platform there. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next tutorial, which I'll be recording on G7. All right. Hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you in the future.